The Trend Worktop Pro jig and track clamps, perfect for use in low-profile clamping slots for restriction-free routing. Ideal for Trend's 750p and 900p kitchen worktop jigs. Guide rails, multifunction tables, and Trend's Pro Pocket Hole Jig. Constructed of a one-piece frame for strength and durability, with an ergonomic wood handle shaped for comfort and maximum grip. The ball knuckle clamp head with protective pad prevents marring, protecting materials, and the hardened alloy steel thread maintains torque for secure clamping. Multi-use clamps, ideal for Trend's kitchen worktop jigs. Guide rails with 8 to 12mm T-slots, multifunction tables, and the Pro Pocket Hole Jig. They provide high torque, utilising the strong forged steel arm, and will fit a variety of guide rails. The protective pad leaves no marks and holds securely for precise drilling. Trend Versatile Worktop Pro Jig and Track Clamps. Holds securely for restriction-free routing.